Are you recording? Man, someone really must have shit themselves over here. What the fuck?
On Tuesday, we will probably do this for 2 minutes. We'll make Mr. Moody come up and do a problem in front of everybody so that we can, I'm going to give you a quiz just like this.
Oh my god.
Wrong, you draw on your face with this purple marker.
Nope.
I have a nice purple, that's not purple.
Do it
I
again.
have a purple Sharpie right here. Alright? Folks,
Woohoo there. Goodbye.
ladies and gentlemen, second one.